How to apply for Walmart online. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can apply for a career or a job application at Walmart online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're looking to get your career started with Walmart and then you want to apply for a job application online, it is very simple, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, what you want to do is in the search box you simply want to go to career.walmart.com. I'll also have a direct link down in the description box below, so you just want to go to career.walmart.com. So once you basically go to careers.walmart.com, you're going to just land on this page where you'll be able to see a list of all the available jobs as well as vacancies and posts that are actually open for you. If you're just trying to look for a specific position, then you can just search for the specific job or title or keyword that you can see over here. Whether you're looking for offline jobs or online jobs, you can just go ahead and select what kind of jobs you want, select that category here, and then you'll be able to see all the openings in that category. Once you select a specific opening that you'd like to apply for, you'll also be able to see the location. You just want to make sure to tap on that application and then just tap the apply button here. It will take you to the page where you can simply fill in the form based on your own needs, and then once you've done that, you'll have successfully applied for a Walmart online. And that's it for today's video on how you can apply for Walmart online. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.